So you clicked on this video because you want to see how I make before and after thumbnails for my YouTube videos. And I have this really easy 5-step process that I want to show you. So let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do in Lightroom is pick the two pictures you want to choose. So the before and the after version. You do this by clicking on the first picture and then holding Ctrl or Command and clicking on the second picture. Then you are gonna right click and go to Edit and choose Open as Layers in Photoshop. So the electronic data machine will process the request and eventually you will get to Photoshop with both layers opened. Success! Somehow I have a third layer which is unuseful here, and I'll just go ahead and remove that. Now what you need to do is change the canvas size. You can use the shortcut Alt-Control-C or Alt-Command-C, or you can go to the menu, Pictures, and choose Canvas Size. No matter how you do it, you will get to this window. And this actually is really simple. You press the arrow here to tell Photoshop which side to expand to. If you don't do this, it will expand on either side, and we don't want that. Instead of pixel, you have to pick %. Then you want to double the size and width. We got the bigger canvas now, but we still need to move the last picture. So we will choose the layer with the before picture and we will just use the move tool and simply drag it to the left. Easy peasy. A last little thing I like to do with the picture now is to separate it with a thin white line in the middle. So real quick, go to the shape tool here and pick the Stregværktøj, or I think it's a line tool in English, and make sure stroke is set to the color you want the line to be, and use a pixel size around 2. A simple trick here is to hold Shift while dragging the line, because that will make sure it's straight. Then all there is left to do is crop the picture for the YouTube thumbnail and export it. So click C for crop and make sure the size is set to 1280 x 720, which is recommended by YouTube. And I will add the Photoshop logo to the top of the thumbnail, so it will indicate that this was done in Photoshop. And then I'll go to export by pressing Alt-Shift-Control-W or Alt-Shift-Command-W, and I will export the picture.